Hi everyone, thanks for coming by to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you a card I made for the Lawnscaping challenge. I'm using the stem set called Heads Off to You. It's an old stem set, but it's still really cute. I'm using a couple of the heads from the stem set to create my own pattern paper, as this week's channel theme is using packing paper. So I'm just inking up the stem with some Ranger Archival Jet Black ink because I will use some Distress color to watercolor the heads. I'm just stamping it diagonally and repeatedly, and you'll get an entire pattern background. So now all I have to do is just have fun and color. You can use some Copic markers or paints, whatever you like. I've decided to use some Distress marker so that I could get to the small sides of the images easily. I'm just coloring the sides of the images and then using a water brush to pull the color. This would create some shadow among the images. Now I'm taking the Ice Spruce Distress ink. I will just use some water and a paintbrush to do a color wash background. I wanted to go for a light gray, so I'm gonna dilute the ink with a lot of water and paint the background. Just a little tip: when you've colored your images with Distress ink or Distress marker, and then you want to go back and make a background also using the same Distress ink and water, just remember that Distress ink reacts with water, so just be careful when you're going around the images, because some of the colors might run when it touches water. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna set it aside to dry, and I took the stem set from Sweater Weather to make the little frame at the top of the card, but I decided not to, so I took some scallop border and cut off the bottom piece of my card, and took the same sentiment from the Heads Off to You, and I took the Hello sentiment from the Sweater Weather stem set. I just wanted to make a simple area for the sentiment because the background is really busy and I don't want to distract either the sentiment or the background. And that's about it. It's a simple card but a lot of fun. I hope you've enjoyed, and please head over to my blog and join Lawnscaping Challenge.